Anthropic just walked away from billions. Here is the secret they're protecting. While competitors court the military, Anthropic builds a fortress. Your career depends on which side of the split you land on. If you've ever felt like the AI gold rush was ignoring the human cost, you're right. We are witnessing a massive divergence in Silicon Valley that will redefine engineering roles by 2026. Most developers think any AI experience is good experience, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why specializing in military AI might lock you out of the most lucrative consumer markets. We're breaking down the data OpenAI doesn't want you to see, and why Anthropic's constitutional AI is more than just a marketing slogan. It's a survival strategy for the next decade. Most people try to jump on the highest paying contract, and here's why it doesn't work. These short-term gains often lead to long-term obsolescence. When you work on closed-loop defense systems, you aren't building for the global economy. You are building silos. This raises the emotional stakes for every lead engineer. Do you want your legacy to be a weapon or a tool for humanity? Now, everything I just said changes when you consider this. The market isn't just following the money anymore. It's following the safety. While OpenAI's enterprise share was halved recently, Anthropic's surged to 32%. This shift signals a massive realignment in how Fortune 500 companies choose their partners. They aren't just looking for the fastest model. They are looking for the one that won't hallucinate a PR disaster. What nobody tells you about constitutional AI is that it's actually a technical moat. By training models with a built-in set of values, Anthropic creates a more predictable and scalable product for sensitive industries like healthcare and finance. This is what most people are missing. Ethics is becoming a performance metric. If your model can't be trusted, it can't be deployed at scale. The first secret to staying ahead is understanding the safety tax. OpenAI is pivoting toward rapid deployment, often bypassing the deep alignment checks that Anthropic prioritizes. While everyone was watching GPT-5 rumors, Anthropic was quietly perfecting Claude's ability to say no to harmful requests. This refusal capability is exactly what enterprise clients are now willing to pay a premium for in their workflows. Here's where it gets interesting. The displacement data is already showing a clear trend. Which engineering roles are safest? Those focused on alignment and interpretability. According to recent data, computer programming tasks are now 75% AI covered. If you are just a builder, you are replaceable. If you're a governor of AI behavior, you're indispensable. But the next one is even more important. We have to look at the internal culture shift. OpenAI's move toward defense contracts is causing a quiet exodus of top-tier talent. Engineers who joined for the mission of safe AG are finding themselves at odds with new corporate directives. This changes everything about how you should evaluate your next job offer. Look at the board structure, not just the salary. The single most important thing is coming up, the 2026 corporate collapse. Many firms are over-leveraged on hype-driven AI that lacks ethical guardrails. When the first major military AI scandal hits, the decoupling will be violent. Companies without a clear ethical alignment will see their stock performance crater as institutional investors flee toward safe AI havens. You need to be positioned in the right camp. Now, I know what you're thinking. Won't the military money always win? Historically, yes. But in the age of AI, the winner is the one who controls the trust layer. Anthropic's refusal to take Pentagon money isn't just a moral stand. It's a brand positioning move that makes them the only viable partner for international markets that fear U.S. military overreach. This is not science fiction. This is available right now. We are seeing companies like Palantir and OpenAI form a defense bloc, while Anthropic leads the civic bloc. Your choice of which ecosystem to build on will determine your career's mobility. If your resume is covered in defense-only projects, you might find yourself blacklisted from the next wave of consumer-facing AI giants. Now you know what 95% of people won't learn for months. The real question isn't if AI will change your job, it's which version of AI you will choose to serve. This is exactly how top-tier engineers at Google and Meta are already making their moves. They aren't following the highest bidder. They are following the most stable alignment. This is the part most people miss. The ethical split is actually a stability split. Data shows that Anthropic's business penetration is projected to grow faster by 2026 due to this trust factor. This is not just a theory. It is reflected in the 22% growth projection for ethics-driven AI adoption. The future is already here, and it's divided. Before this video, you might have seen OpenAI and Anthropic as two sides of the same coin. After this video, you see the chasm. The choice is yours. Build for the battlefield or build for the boardroom. Subscribe to stay ahead of the signal. The real question isn't if, it's when.